Kama ola
Yes.
hapita. Kama ola hapita.
Kama hapita.
That's how much is the pita bread. I'm asking you, how much is the pita bread? Kama ola hapita. And your answer will be hapita ola. Let me be clear. I'm giving you the question first. The question is kama ola hapita. How much is the pita bread? Sawa?
Yeah.
I need your response, Marjorie, to make sure we're together.
Okay, together. Pardon.
That's okay, and it's okay if the watoto will come into in the audio. Don't worry about that. That's fine. So I'm asking you the question, kama ola hapita.
Kama
How much?
hapita.
That's the question. That's the swali. Now you fill in with either shisha shikalim or asara shikalim. So I'll ask you the question. I ask you kama ola hapita, and you answer hapita ola. All right, let me give Peter a try. Peter, are you with me on this? Okay. Peter, are you unable to join us with audio at this time? Okay, we seem to be having some network difficulties, which are somewhat limiting our ability to do this conversation drill. Joseph, are you able to communicate with audio this morning? Peter, are you back with us and able to use your audio? I didn't have your audio for a while.
I'm here. I can hear properly.
Okay. All right. I think across the board the network is not as strong as it could be today. So let me not force this, and let's try to do something a little simpler. Joseph, if your connection is good, we will do a question and answer in Hebrew. How much is the pita? How much is the pita bread? When you're ready, we can present that lesson to Marjorie and Gideon and Peter.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, shall I wait for a few seconds for the introduction?
No, I've already done that. I did silent.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay, great. When we've all gone to Israel this morning, Joseph, we've landed and we're very hungry. So we've gone to the market to buy some special bread, which we find in Israel called pita. Have you heard of it, pita bread?
No.
Okay, so pita is a special bread that's made in the Middle East in Israel. It's somewhat similar to chapati.
Yes.
And we're going to ask how much it costs. And the way we ask that is kama ola hapita. Kindly repeat after me. Kama
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 ola
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 hapita.
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 Very nice. Kama means how much. Ola means is the cost, hapita, of the pita bread. And the response is hapita ola. The pita costs. Together, hapita ola.
Hapita ola.
Ola.
Very nice. And your choices are either shisha shekalim, which is 6 shekels, the Israelis use shekels, or asara shekalim. So you would say hapita ola shisha shekalim, for the pita costs 6 shekels, or hapita ola asara shekalim, the pita costs 10 shekels. So let us try this together. Joseph,
Yes.
kama ola hapita.
Hapita ola shisha shikalim.
Yofi, tov ma'od. Gideon, kama ola hapita.
Hapita. Ola. Asera. Shekalim.
Excellent, tov ma'od. Peter, kama ola hapita.
Ola. Hapita. Shisha. Shikalim.
Nice, nice. Hapita ola shisha shikalim. Marjorie, tafadali, kama ola hapita.
Hapita ola shisha shikalim.
Now we're rocking and rolling. Nice work, you guys. Very nice work. We will overcome all obstacles and we will learn Hebrew. No question about it. Well done, all. So now we can have some fun. We've bought enough pita bread. We're actually kind of tired of pita bread at this point. So let's buy some cuckoo. And the word for cuckoo is oaf. Together, oaf.
Oh.
Nice. And here's the word in red for oaf. Ayin is a relatively new letter for us. We know it's a silent. And Peter, we're just about to your pay and your faith and your face so feet. So here's a chance at your face so feet. Together once more, oaf.
Oh.
Joseph, kama ole ha'of. Listen carefully. Is kama ole ha'of. Ha'of ole. Have I lost Joseph's audio now?
No,
Gideon,
Joseph
kama
is
ole.
there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, Joseph. Kama ole ha'of.
Ha of Olef. Ashera
Yeah.
shekalim.
Okay. Ha'of ole asara shekalim. Gideon, kama ole ha'of. Okay, Gideon might have cut out once more. Peter, kama ole ha'of. Oh, okay. Okay. Gideon, kama ole ha'of. Okay, no problem. We'll return to you, brother. Peter, kama ole. Yeah. Okay.
Ha'of ole.
Uh-huh.
Asara. Shekalim.
Tov ma'od, ha'of ole asara shikalim. Peter, kama
Yes.
ole ha'of.
Of. Ola.
Ha'of ole.
Ha'of ola. Ashara. Shikalim.
Yofi, tov ma'od, ha'of ole asara shikalim. Marjorie, kindly, kama ole ha'of.
Hakara of shikalim.
Ha'of ole
Ha'of ole
asara.
hasara
Shekalim.
Continue. Asara.
ha'af ole hasara shikalim.
Shikalim. Well done. Nice. Asara is the word for 10, and shikalim is the shekels. The Israeli coin is the shekel. Nice. Let's conclude with that. Would conclude the group lesson. Let's return now to some of our drill. And I'm particularly interested in presenting to everybody, again, some newer letters in simple open and closed syllables so that we become very strong in our ability to identify between the open and closed syllables. And I think what we'll do is we'll present a new letter, the samech. And I think once again, if it's possible, we will ask Gideon to lead us in the letter samech and also the letter ayin. We'll use the worksheets that focus on those two letters. So let's take a look at the samech first of all. And this will be just where you're at, Marjorie, is the mem nun samech. So it should be a good letter to keep you moving forward. So here we have,
You are not
let
presenting.
me find it so I can present. Here we go. So here we have the samech, which makes the S sound. Gideon, could you revise with us on the samech?
Yes. Okay. Tonight we are going to look at Samech, and we know Samech makes the S sound, and as usual, you know that Samech is just a letter or a consonant, and you know, as we also know that Samech it combines with another with a liquid or vowel, it makes a sound. So samech, if it is added with a mat, it gives us a sa sound. So Peter, you can take us through when we take or if we combine samech with a part with kamat, what do we get?
Sa.
Sa, very good.
Nice.
And also if we combine samech with patak, we get the same sound. Take us through, Mr. Peter.
Sa.
So,
Well done.
and also if we combine samech with kolam, we know that kolam is an O sound. So samech plus kolam, what do we get, Mr. Peter?
So.
Great. Now, Manjori will help us to pronounce combination of samech plus kolam. Before that, we know that kolam, it can be presented in two different ways. The first one, we have verb combined with a dot on top of it. We still call it kolam, but sometimes we can ignore the verb, and we just put the dots on top of a consonant. So on our case, we have samech with a dot, and the dot is kolam. So majority, if we combine samech with a kolam, which is being represented by a dot, what do we get?
So.
Nice.
Great. That's nice. And again, we have kubut.
This is shuruk.
We have shuruk. So if we combine Shuruk.
Oh,
I mean Samek with Shuruk. And okay, before that, I think we all understand that Shuruk is an U sound. It's just like a column, which is being presented as with a verb and a dot on top. But for the case of Shuruk, the dot is being presented at the middle. So we have said that Shuruk is an U sound. So we have Samek plus
Yes.
an U sound, which is the Shuruk. How do we pronounce it? The combination of Samek and Shuruk. How do we pronounce it, Marjorie?
Su.
Well done.
Nice. And we have Kubus combined with Samek. Kubus is the three dots in a diagonal way. I think something like that.
Yeah,
So we
exactly.
have the kubus is also an U sound, just as the Shuruk. So how do we pronounce Samek with kubus, Majorin?
Su.
Well done. Joseph, would you like to continue drilling us in the Samech?
Okay. Now, a combination of Samek with Asere. Asere is two dots at the bottom of the Hebrew letters. The Samek plus Asere at the bottom of it makes say sound.
Well done.
There can be also another form of Asere where there are two dots at the bottom of a letter, and also to the left, at the top left, there is a yud. And this sere also makes a say sound. Another
Very
one,
nice.
there is segol. Segol is a nikud that makes e sound. And Gideon can help me. Segol plus sere, segol, Samech plus segol